Good morning to all and New Year wishes to everyone. At the outset, let me submit my sincere pranams to the founder or president, Sri N. Ganga Narasaya, whose vision and mission are getting realized by the systematic growth of this institution. Further, let us pray God to keep everyone healthy and keep all of us away from the deadly virus. Let us take the oath together, such as to always wear a mask or face cover, especially in public place, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash hands frequently and thoroughly with the soap and water. With this, together we will be winning the fight against COVID-19. This year, we have organized this annual day as a platform to identify the real talents, and this day is dedicated to the COVID warriors. It is planned in virtual way and named as Sputnik, one of the COVID vaccine which we are all eagerly waiting. Other vaccine names are used for naming different pavilions where these competitions will be held. As everyone aware, annual report is the statistical data, stock taking of all the school activities. In the same line with this, I can proudly say that this institution started online classes from 1st April 2020 for ISC 12th standard. Then onwards, we started implementing different academic classes for different standards and the activity classes, starting with prayer. I am proudly presenting the details of different activities on academics and non-academics for all your kind attention. The school prayer classes, we introduced different sloka chanting and Bhagavad Gita chanting. Further, the birthday song in Sanskrit has also taught to the students, in addition to 5 Sanskrit words and sentences daily. It is a great achievement. Online yoga classes, which has started on 16th April, weekly thrice basis, done by our Yogacharya Deepak sir. Different asanas and mudras have been demonstrated and described to the students with its benefits. Even yoga term exam and assessments on the activity has been carried out. Some of the students are ready to perform on this Sputnik day as a demonstration. Abacus and Vedic Maths classes are also initiated in the month of April itself for lower primary and upper primary. Assessments have been carried out and level completion certificates have been issued. Abacus students, they will perform in this dais and they will be issued with the certificates as well as Vedic mathematics, whatever it is being taught during this academic year has been made as a book, and that book will be released today. The efforts of M.N. Purnima madam and Geeta R madam are tremendous. The students could get their guidance effectively. Kalakriti and music classes are the two unique events which give the right mode of promotion of SUPW activities. A total number of classes conducted in these activities and the students participated enthusiastically. The details of the classes will be given you after 2 paragraphs. In addition to this, spell bee classes and handwriting improvement classes are also initiated for certain section of students. In all these classes, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Kala madam, Lata NB madam, Kavita madam, and regarding the Kalakriti and music classes, Manjula R madam and Madhu Maladi madam and Basavaraju sir. All these teachers dedicated their time to make the students to utilize their guidance. In addition to this, the impact of the improvement of this vocabulary and the writing node are clear outcome of these classes. They will be displaying or receiving the certificate today. And the full details of the co-curricular activities, as I said earlier, are made in a chart form and for your ready reference. Prayer classes, 230 classes have been conducted. Yoga, 96 classes have been done. Kalakriti, 195 classes have been done in this academic year. Music, 95. Spell bee, 198 classes. Abacus, 87 classes. Vedic Maths, 83 classes. Handwriting, 92 classes. As I said earlier, different classes or different range of classes are being detailed to attend the classes, and the average number of students have attended the class also displayed over there. I hope this will be a unique event, unique effort done by our institution. The main aspect of academic online classes should be the continuity and the participation of all the students. To a certain extent, we were able to ensure these two. There is certain limitation in the understanding level and effectiveness of these classes, but we could optimize it by utilizing and technical facilities such as share screen, digital writing board, webinar, etc. The details of the academic classes are tabulated and placed. Pre-nursery, only video recording classes were there. Prep 1, Prep 2, and first standard to fifth standard, online classes and recorded classes also were there. And this primary wing, even examinations are also conducted. Online examinations, and it has been evaluated, and parent-teacher interactive session also has been conducted for them. And 6th standard to 10th standard, online classes have been conducted. A minimum of 167 classes have been conducted for that. And even 10th standard, you can imagine 230 days online classes. I am not talking about 1 hour or anything. 230 days of online classes have been conducted. And 10th ICIC, around 50 recorded lessons also has been sent to them, especially for the subject mathematics. I hope most of the students might have utilized this online guidance program, and now the regular classes also started. I hope the students will take the benefit out of the regular classes for appearing the different preparatory examinations and get trained how to write the public examinations. With great risk and challenge, we could conduct midterm examinations for all the higher classes at the school campus by segregating into different batches. Of course, it was an Herculean task to conduct it by observing COVID protocol. Even in this difficult situation and innovative thinking, make use to do the investiture ceremony and selection of leaders for the school and college. Sachin and Varsha, Nidhu Devi and Vaibhav, Darshini and Aishwarya are the 6 students leaders selected for this academic year. We also inaugurated different academic clubs such as IT club, literary club, mathematics club. During this pandemic lockdown period, students came up with creative ideas and made the project work more interesting by making different software applications. I must appreciate the students like Shravan of 6th standard who made one talking tom software application which I will be submitting for your view along with this annual reports. The appreciable efforts
What are you doing?
Hi, what are you doing?
Hi, what are you doing?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Talking Tom.
Talking Tom.
Talking.
The appreciable efforts done by such students will certainly an added advantage during their examination process. The appreciable efforts and implementation by the nursery wing under the able guidance of Mrs. Padmavati, the student counselor, has been exhibited by organizing Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesha Chaturthi, Onam, Dasara celebration. Of course, other class students also participated and enjoyed. And the national days are also observed with pomp and glory. Regular parent-teacher interactive session has been conducted and certain sessions of the parents attended and given valuable suggestions and appreciation. Of course, everybody was obeying the COVID protocol. As a conclusion, I submit that without the cordial support of the valuable parents, the movement of academic year at this pandemic juncture not at all possible. So I will be ever grateful to the parent community. Teachers are the true professionals with the limited resources, brought out their difficulties into opportunities and keep the dignity of the institution during this pandemic. Hats off to their dedication. Everyone aware of the scarcity of the resources to take forward the institutional activities by the management. The plight of this elite lot is never been noticed or pretended to be unnoticed. As a part of helm of this affair, I can feel the pain of this thorny hats. With proud, I can establish that management was successful to carry forward the whole block of the school staff and cross over this difficult situation. Along with all my colleagues, I can dedicate a big salute to the management team of President and Secretary Madam. With this enthusiastic hope and look forward the homecoming of the normalcy in coming days and successful completion of the academic year, I can do the wind up by wishing this Sputnik a great success and look forward to meet every students in school uniform in the coming days. Thank you, Jay.